Slow Wi-Fi? Start with the easiest fix. Turn off your router, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This simple reset clears hidden issues and often instantly boosts your internet speed. Router location matters more than you think. Avoid corners, metal objects, and thick walls to get stronger Wi-Fi everywhere. Move it to a central, open spot in your home. Did you know everyday devices can slow your Wi-Fi? Keep your router away from TVs, microwaves, and Bluetooth gadgets. Less interference means faster internet. Every connected device steals a little speed. Disconnect phones, TVs, or gadgets you're not using. Fewer devices mean faster Wi-Fi for what actually matters. If your Wi-Fi is slow for no reason, someone else might be using it. Change your Wi-Fi password and reconnect only your devices. This alone can double your speed. See two Wi-Fi names? Choose the one labeled 5 GHz. It's faster, cleaner, and perfect for streaming, calls, and online work. If your router is very old, it may be the problem. New routers are faster, stronger, and built for modern internet use. Sometimes upgrading is the real fix. Try these fixes one by one and watch your Wi-Fi speed improve. Follow for more simple solutions to everyday problems. No tech skills needed.